Welcome to Historic Norcross. My name is Gordon Tomlinson. I'm the owner of the Tomlinson Law Office. Norcross is a community. We have a beautiful downtown. We have restaurants, shops. I have two daughters. They enjoy going to the park and playing in the splash pad. I have a dog. His name is Marley. I bring him to work every day. I've been practicing law for 19 years. I have a general practice law firm. I enjoy helping members of the community in their legal matters. My favorite restaurant is the Crossing Steakhouse. My girls love that restaurant. My favorite meal is the prime rib with loaded baked potatoes. As the train passes by, my daughters run to the window to watch it go by. Their favorite dessert is the creme brulee. When it comes to the table with a flame, their eyes brighten up. My favorite store, Taste of Britain. I enjoy the little gifts there. I buy them for my sister, my parents, my daughters. They love the English candy bar at the Taste of Britain. Wonderful store. Historic Norcross is a very dog-friendly community. My dog enjoys going for walks, going to 45 South to get a dog bone. If he needs to go to the bathroom, there are poop stations all throughout downtown. Downtown Historic Norcross is a very clean town. Come visit me in the heart of downtown Historic Norcross.